Hello everyone, and welcome to Glitch Sip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a 24/7 Minecraft server, whether it's for Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. In this case, what we're going to do is use some different platforms that are very helpful when it comes to creating free Minecraft servers. We do need to keep in mind that having a true 24/7 server for free can be a bit complicated. However, if we use Aternos consistently, we can still manage to run a server in this way. That said, it does come with a limitation since it's not fully 24/7 by default. Another option is redeeming one free month on Minecraft's own Realms servers, which are actually 24/7. This is a great alternative if you're looking for a more stable experience. As I mentioned before, we also have Aternos, which is very popular, but again, it has its exception regarding true 24/7 uptime. We can also use FreeMC Server, which is another well-known website for creating Minecraft servers and is quite popular within the community. Another option is Play.hosting, which has been around for quite some time and also allows you to create free servers, including 24/7 options. Overall, these are the only free options currently available. There isn't any other completely free alternative that lets you create true 24/7 Minecraft servers. And that would be everything for this video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Glitch Sip, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.